Hello, my name is Jenna Smith, and the AI tool that I'm going to be talking about is the website called Diffit for Teachers. So essentially, what this website is that you can search any topic, theme, or question in this box down here. And so, for example, I'll do World War II. Okay, and then you can choose an appropriate reading level. So, since I am a 6th grade special ed teacher, this would be very useful for me because I can adjust the reading level if there are kids in my class. Most likely, the kids in my class might be at a lower group, reading level. So, I could change it. So, if they're in 6th grade, maybe they're at like a 4th grade level, and then you can also change it right here from English, Spanish, whatever language, and then I can click generate resources, and then we're going to wait for this to load. But we just bought this whole curriculum district wide this past school year, so we are very excited to be using it. But since this loaded, this is a bunch of different images about World War II that you can look at and talk about. But the stuff that I think is super duper interesting is there's a bubble map that you can click on, and then it gives you a bunch of different types of graphic organizer, and it gives you the instructions, and then it also comes up with vocabulary terms that you can use. But since I could also put in a 6th grade passage or something and then modify it to the 4th grade level, which I will show you. But it just pops up with a bunch of different activities. So let me go back. And then same thing for vocabulary. It's a bunch of different multiple choice questions. It's a bunch of different stuff talking all about World War II. And then you can see all of the different options, and these are just the ones that are featured right here. But you can also do summarize learning vocabulary if you're wanting to know more of the different vocabulary for World War II, or again whatever topic that you are doing. But I think it's also cool that there's different writing strategies, reading strategies, text analysis, collaboration, critical thinking, stuff. But there's a bunch of different graphic organizer and options that you can choose from, which I think is amazing. And again, it's just very useful for any student that might be at maybe even more advanced. This would be good to use. So let me go back. Let me do start new actually. So then you can upload a YouTube video if you would want, and then you can choose an appropriate reading level. You can obviously change the reading level for the video, but we're going to do, it says paste an excerpt of the original document here. So we'll just go to our class, and here is the post. So let me just copy it. Diffit for Teachers. Paste. So that's just obviously from our class. And then choose a reading level. So we can make this, let's do 2nd grade. Generate resources. So you can literally take from any grade that you want and change it to the reading level that your student might be at. But here's the adapted reading passage. So it changes just the wording of the passage and modifying it, and you're just making the accommodation instead of completely changing that activity. It's just pretty much rewording it so that it's at a 2nd grade level to make sure that that the student understands what you're doing. But there's also the summary and key vocabulary words, multiple choice questions you can do. Again, I just took our directions, but there's also still the reading summary, and you can do customize activity. You can edit it however you want. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get all this now. But yeah, you can just do any of those, and then it can do the same thing with a video as well. But this would be awesome in a lesson. So since I'm in the inclusion setting for 6th grade, so if we are, so say I'm going to like the language arts class, and the program we use is called StudySync, and a lot of the curriculum on there, or like the readings and stuff, can be a little bit more challenging for students. So I can essentially like highlight what we're doing on StudySync and be able to post it or paste it in here, the reading, and be able to adjust the reading level, because it's probably at like 6th going in a 7th grade reading level, and say my student is only at like a 4th grade reading level. I can alter it to change it for here, and my student will still be doing the same work, but it'll just be at their reading level. And you can do that for like any of the classes, which I think is like so awesome. But yeah, so that's what Diffit is, and there is a free version, but I'm very thankful that the school that I am working at has the full paid version. But yeah, that's my tool.